In a world where enough is not enough, you're often forced to make changes. You're forced to make good, better, great, possibly the greatest ever. And today's pair of shoes, I believe, force this brand to do just that. This shoe right here is the Nike Vomero Premium. Extremely responsive and comfortable. Pretty steep in the price, but if you take away the price and you put away the comfort, I think that you'll be able to see what this shoe really is. Those able to see with it now, love it. And in due time, the price will drop and others will be able to experience that as well. Luckily, this shoe costs a little bit less. Today's pair of shoes we're talking about, none other than the Adidas Hyperboost Edge. I promise you guys, for the steep price of $200, this is a shoe that you're gonna love the way it feels. So without further ado, let's take a look and see why. So open the box, Hyperboost, that's the first thing you see. And then once you peel back the paper, you're gonna see right here what $200 is gonna get you. Now, you guys know me, when it comes to the price, I'm either gonna be a little lenient or I'm gonna be a little stiff, it just depends. But for this shoe right here, I don't think it really matters too much what the cost is. This is an extremely comfortable shoe. Adidas has done a lot to improve this shoe, to make it what it is. And we start by noticing the Hyperboost right here. This is the Hyperboost Pro. Just look at how much more boost you get. This is a, I would say triple stack. This is a double stack. This is a lot of boost right here. And the great thing about it is it's functional. As soon as you put your foot in, you feel it. I don't want to do the cliche and say it feels like clouds, but these things feel like, let me see. You know those mushrooms? Or not mushrooms, those marshmallows? The super thick marshmallows. I'm talking about them real thick ones. That's what this feels like throughout your whole shoe. You put your foot in and it's just like amazingly comfortable. Very responsive with these, very responsive. And you got these super duper icy bottoms. I mean, what more could you ask for? All right, so we're starting off at the bottom. At the icy soles to be exact. This shoe right here is amazing. If you look, you're gonna be able to see what says light traction right here. You're gonna see a 45 followed by a 39. And so what each of these things indicate is that this is the new outer sole right here. This is what they have for traction and grip. We do not get continental. We have something that's brand new. Now, it's not too thick in the ridges. However, it is fairly deep right here. So I'm very interested in seeing how long this lasts. This may be the only flaw in the shoe, if that, but it's still early to tell. Now, back to this 45. What this is gonna let you know is that the 45 and the 39 is the thickness of the midsole. So you're gonna have the heel at 45 millimeters, then the forefoot at 39 millimeters. So very cool, very interesting to put this on the shoe. One of the things they've done new is that they put the actual branding of the shoe right here. This is the first time Adidas has ever done that. And then you're gonna have Hyperboost right here, which is slightly reflective. You guys should be able to see that. So you have little things like this that's throughout the whole shoe. You're gonna get Hyperboost again right here, Hyperboost Pro. And then if you look close enough, you're gonna be able to see, getting real close. You guys may not be able to see that. You may be able to see that on camera, let me see. This right here, it says Primeweave. They've readjusted the look of things on this shoe. So you're gonna get what's a super duper light woven upper, which is right up here. All right, so you're gonna need two hands for these. There's no way you could just slip these on without your hands, no matter how you have these laced up, which is fine. I mean, it's a super duper comfortable shoe. Has a lot of padding on it. I mean, once you're in, you're good to go. Now, as far as the height boost, you're gonna be looking at an easy 2 inches, roughly maybe 2.5, but conservatively, I say a good 2 inches is what you're gonna get with these. And you slip these off with no hands, no problem. And as I was telling you guys, these things do have a lot of cushion. I'm gonna show you just what I mean by that. On the inside, good amount of padding right here. And then right here, this fabric is super duper soft, very cushioning as well. And then you take out the sole, nothing too crazy, Hyperboost. And then on the inside, you have these little
straps right here to keep you nice and secure. And then the boost, the exposure of the boost right here. So these are a 10.5. I always go half a size up with boost. With these, you could probably go your true size. I mean, from the front to the back, you're looking at about a little over 11 inches. Not quite 11.5. Good amount of space. And its most narrowest point, you're looking at, give me 1 second. Right at 3 inches. So overall, man, super duper good shoe. A lot of hints of reflectability, so running at night, you should be fine with these.
Favorite things to do after
Get your first bite.
It's a challenge.
Wow, that was a big bite.
Try it today.
You want to give your sister some? A lot of flavor, shot. Well, that's enough. Okay.